As technology is rapidly advancing, you don't need to purchase data before you browse again. With this amazing platform, you can get up to 10 gig daily. I mean, up to 10 gig daily. As you can see my balance there, I have over 400 gig. So all I do is to perform simple tasks on this platform and get free 10 to 100 gig every day. So all you need to do is to watch the video till the end, and please subscribe if it is your first time. So guys, the first thing to do is to go to Play Store on your smartphone. All right. When you go to Play Store, you search for reach out. Reach out. Can you see it now? It is this one. It is the one with this icon here. It is just an app of 10 MB, okay? It is not much. So when you are done downloading, kindly click on open. So guys, when it opens, this is how the interface will looks like. All you need to do is to click on get started, okay? So after clicking on get started, click on next, okay? Then it will take you to this place. The next thing to do is to enter your phone number, okay? You enter your phone number. All right, let me enter my phone number now. So as you can see here, this is my phone number. Mark it now and click on verify number. An OTP will be sent to your number. Then just wait and receive the OTP now. It will not take time. All right, can you see it now? It is already here. I have copied it now. I have to paste it here. Then it will be verified right now. Then we enter your preferred name. You can enter any name of your choice. Here I prefer. All right, let's proceed now. In this place, it is very necessary. Just listen to me now. In this particular place, it is imperative you enter referral code here. Because when you enter that referral code, you are going to be rewarded with 500 MB. Do you understand? You'll be rewarded with 500 MB. So just wait and see as I'm going to do now. I'll copy the referral link. You can check the description of this video. There is a referral link there. All you need to do is to copy it and come and paste it here. Just wait and see it now. All right, I have copied my referral link now. Can you see this is the referral code? You need to click on continue. All right. So it took us to the homepage of the platform now. Can you see it now? And here we'll be rewarded with 50 MB instantly. And I'm going to show you right now. So guys, can you see the message up there? Congratulations, you have been rewarded with 500 MB. You have been rewarded with 500 MB. So this is how simple it is. And if you come to our data now, you'll see that because of the referral code you enter, you have been rewarded with 0.5 gig, which is equivalent to 500 MB. So let's come back now. And I'm going to show you right now how you can make 10 gig on this platform daily. How you can make 10 gig daily. Let me show you something now. If we go to settings now, then we click on zero data here, you can see that I'll be rewarded with 1.5 gig. My current balance here is 1.5 gig. And all I do to make this amount of data is that if you click on reach out official here, look at it there, click on it. So you can see that refer and earn 1 gig data for every successful referral today. Look at it very well here. So you don't need to perform any task and you don't need to suffer yourself and look for referral. You can simply refer yourself, known as self-referral. And I'm going to explain that at the end of the video, okay? So there's what we call self-referral. All you need to do is to refer yourself. You can use several SIM cards. You can use your MTN, use your Glo, use your parent SIM card, use your sibling SIM card, and register on this platform and make over 10 gig daily. For every successful user, you are going to get 1 gig. Can you see it now? For every successful user, you are going to get 1 gig. And as you can see now, I'll be use a lot of data and I still have 1.5 gig left. So all I did is that if you come to your profile, you click on refer a friend. Can you see it now? You can copy your referral link here or share it to the various platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and tell them to register. If you don't have any registered member, you don't need to panic, okay? As I'm going to show you how to do self-referral and start making money. For you to do that self-referral, all you need to do is this. Go to the Play Store. All right, I'm on Google already. So what I'm going to type in here now is multi-space, okay? This is the name of the app. You will search for multi-space. Let's see it now. Multi-space. Can you see it there? Then you have to download the app. It is this one. This is the one I'm talking about particularly. This is multi-space. When you click on the app and download, kindly click on open. And all you need to do on this app is to clone every app you want. As you can see, I have cloned this app for more than 3 times now. And all I do is that if you want to clone the app, you click on add there. Do you see it now? When you click on add, you look for that app. Can you see it now? Reach out. Then you clone it. When you clone it now, you can start the registration afresh without, without being suspected. This is just like when you are starting afresh. If you click on it now, you can see that it will take us to the beginning of the app again. You can see that it have taken us to the beginning of the app again, and you can start the registration afresh with your new number. So this is how simple it is to clone the app. Now, how do you use this app? To use the app is very simple. Let's get to know how to use it now. If you come back to the app like this, can you see it now? The next thing to do is to go to your settings. When you come to settings, then click on zero data. Can you see zero data now? Click on zero data. All right, we're on zero data now. It is just like VPN, okay? But don't forget, before you connect this thing, you should have at least 50 MB, or let's say less than that, in your SIM card. You should not do it with zero data because it will not be effective. You should have small data in your SIM card, and it is preferable you use Glow SIM card. Not that if it you use them, not that it is bad for MTN, but it is good you use Glow mostly. So when you are here and you have small data on your phone, then you tap on connect. Can you see it now? It is connecting. It is connecting, guys. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It is going to be connected. Let's just be a little patient. So when it is connected, you can start enjoying free unlimited browsing. Don't forget to drop it in the comment section if it works for you. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos.